at around 6 that I should be nominated. Then at the last moment, I am not nominated. I'm disqualified. Why me? Particularly, everybody is nominated. Why me? Why have I done to you, returning officer? What have I done to you? What have I done to you? What have I done to you? I must explain because I don't have requirements. I have my national ID also. Why me particularly? Why me? This big segregation.
There was corruption. Even the registrar himself was corrupted because the registrar did not listen to what they were telling him. The registrar just accepted people. How can you have Okello speaking Uganda and then you are having Hajati is speaking Iteso? Is that really a real normal registration? We try to tell them that let's register these people. Maybe we call them by their telephone numbers because the telephone numbers are inside those registers.
When the election proceeded, the people were chased away out of gardens. When they were just out of gardens, the unknown people take control of the gate and started calling the list. And the register they were calling were strictly for cell G, not other cells. And the very people who were voting in cell G are the very people who were voting in the other 6 cells. Huh? Now, is that a credible election? No, I don't think so.